If you want to uninstall your Windows Camera app and you're unable to do it because Windows is blocking the option, then follow the instructions of this video to learn how to uninstall and reinstall your Windows Camera app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Start menu. Type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now copy the first command that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste it on PowerShell. Press Enter. Right-click the frame of PowerShell. Select Edit. Select Find. Now type Windows Camera. Press Find next. Now select the Windows Camera line that has a time and date. Right-click the frame of PowerShell. Select Edit. Select Copy. Now add that line at the end of the second command that you'll find in the description of this video. Open your Start menu. Type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Paste the command on PowerShell. Press Enter. Now the camera app should be uninstalled. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Search for Windows Camera. Click on Windows Camera. Press the Get button to start downloading Windows Camera. Wait for Windows Camera to be downloaded and installed. Now your Windows Camera app should be installed. Now open your Microsoft Store.